Yeah, my name's Mathew Evans, I'm 31 years old. Yeah, it was a local show, and walking from the show, me and two of my friends got hit by a 4x4 on the side of the road. And it's changed my life because I lost all the use of my lower body from my chest down. So everything in my life really changed. Enjoyed everything with agriculture, tractor driving, working with cattle, like all sorts. Yeah, we came up with the idea by looking at different ideas people had done for lifting into motorhomes and things like that, and then we looked at a few things like that on the internet, and then Andrew came up with the idea of doing it hydraulic. It was the best way for the farm. It's a lot stronger than doing electric or anything, so and then he designed the lift, and then it took a bit of work getting it all fitted to a tractor. It's not the easiest things to put one on, and then yeah, it all came together in the end. Had the accident in August and then got back to work in May with the tractor. Oh, it's brilliant getting back to work, getting out doing something, feel a bit more normal again, so it's a lot better. Family and friends have been brilliant through the whole thing. They've supported me great through it all. Family and friends, they've what got me through it really.